first of all, good morning to all of you. By the grace of great Vaheguru, let us start with today's topic. Today's topic is application of optical fiber. Okay, that is going to be the last article or last topic of this unit. First of all, what is optical fiber? Very basic question is, what is optical fiber? What is optical fiber? What is optical fiber? What is optical fiber? भूल गए? What is optical fiber? Optical fiber consists of three parts. First part is called a core. Second part is called a clad, and third part is called a outer sheath. Outer sheath or jacket. Outer sheath or jacket. Outer sheath or jacket. Okay. Okay, and we suppose that the refractive index of clad, let us say N1 is the refractive index of core and N2 is the refractive index of clad, and we suppose that N2 is slightly less than the N1. N2 is slightly less than the N1, and the energy and the use of optical fiber is transfer of energy from one point to the another point, and all the information, all the energy is traveling in the core part. It's traveling in the core part, and TIR is totally based upon the process which is called optical fiber is totally based upon the process TIR, which is called total internal reflection. And total internal reflection is totally based upon the when the light is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium, then what will happen? And whenever angle is greater than the critical angle, what will happen? The light will reflect or travel in the same medium. Okay, the light will travel in the denser medium. The condition is that the refractive index of core must be greater than the refractive index of clad. And second condition is the angle of incidence must be greater than or equal to critical angle. Must be greater than the critical angle. So these are the basic aspects of the optical fiber. Now we will discuss what are the applications of optical fiber. The very first important application is it is used for handling the telephone traffic. Okay, so these I2 lines, it is used in handling of telephone traffic. Major systems have been installed in big cities to handle telephone traffic. Sometimes a 2 or 3 marks question can be asked, what are the applications of the optical fiber? So that's why we are doing in the class. Okay. Second is, it is also used in the television industry. Okay, how we can use it? The telephone industry use optical fiber for short transmission links to span the gap from studio to transmitter. Third is, it is also used in the computer industry to transmit digital information from one point to the another point. तो आपने देखा होगा कि ऑप्टिकल फाइबर में थोड़े से स्पेस में बहुत सी तारें होती हैं. Are you getting the point? So these are the utility of the best point of the optical fiber. So beside the computer industry uses optical fiber to transmit the digital information from one point to the another point. Digital information means 101. Okay, whatever the information we basically provide the input side, it basically converted into the digital information, and the digital information is processed from one point to the another point. Okay. Fourth point is, it is also used in the military. So military use the aspects of security to the benefit from fiber optics technology. It's also used in the military and aerospace applications. Next point is it is also used in the medical field industry. It is also used in the medical field industry. The last but not last, not last point is not least point is automobile industry. It is also used in the automobile industry. So these are the some of the uses. I think it has very wide application. It has very wide applications. Okay. So this is I think from the application part. Now it is also used in. It is also used in. It is also used in to measure temperature difference. To measure the temperature difference. It is also used to measure the temperature difference of the order of 0.001 degree centigrade. 0.001 degree centigrade. With much low response time. With much low response time. With much low response time compared with any other thermometer. Compared with any thermometer. Okay. So this is all about the application part, and I think from the last lecture we have discussed how basically the signal travel in the clad part, in the core part, and when this is called a core, this is called a clad, this is N1, this is N2, this is a N2. Okay, this is called a clad, and the energy is traveling in the core part. Okay, when we basically provide energy to the input side, then there is always a dispersion. Then there is always a dispersion action curve which is not required, and as a result of dispersion, there is a distortion of signal. Because in the multimode fiber, different light beams can take a different time from reaching from input side to the output side. So it may be happen that sometimes the shape of the signal must be changed, or it must be happen that there is a broadening of light pulse. I would like to say, let us say this is our input side. Let us say our input side. Let us say this is our input side. This is our input side 101. So this is the input signal, and at the output side, what will happen? Sometimes happens the shape of the signal gets changed. So this is also 101, but here it is a step type, and here it is the shape of the pulse has been changed. So I would say shape of the pulse has been changed. Shape of pulse changed. So this is called a dispersion. This is called a dispersion or a distortion. Okay, and sometimes it also maybe happen that there is a overlapping. There is a overlapping of the pulse at the output side, which is not required. This is called the pulse broadening. Some of the students have not attended the last lecture. We will shortly upload the lecture on the internet also. Okay, so you can take this lecture from the YouTube, because that is very, very important lecture. Okay, dispersion are of two types. One is called intermodal and another is called intramodal dispersion. So last lecture में we discussed all the things in the detail. Okay, so उसमें कोई दिक्कत आती तो आप मेरे से पूछ सकते हो, ठीक है? So I think that is all about the optical fiber. Any doubt from this point? Any doubt? Okay, so laser and optical fiber, these are the important topics. Laser and optical. Laser तो है ही है. Laser and optical fiber. So this is the end of the optical fiber also, chapter also. Okay. So thank you so much. Thank you.